You're welcome to Coach Rafa YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make up to $1,500 playing Dice Mage. This is another and make money with it. So what you need to do is just go to your Play Store and download your Dice Mage app and install it on your phone. So I'll show you how to play Dice Mage, how you make money. And if you are watching this video for the first time, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, also you click the bell to get notified. I drop videos that will help you make money from different aspects of life on my channel, so you may want to be part of the family by hitting the subscribe button. So if you have done that, let's dive in. All right, so you click on play. So this is the game now. If I just play on one of these now, I'm going to have $150 claim. So I'm going to claim my offer now. Reward ad field due to display, right? So no thanks. So let me go to the one I've earned and try to withdraw them. So if I click on this button, to ask me, you have 1,500 to redeem. Okay, so when you have enough coins, you can apply. You have this and that. So how can you get your money? You can just click on this portal. You can get your money via PayPal, via Cash App, OP, Time Bank, Easy Money. So depending on the account you have. If you want to use Cash App, you click on it, you put in your details. For OP, put in your details. For Time Bank, for Easy Money, for Easy Price and picks other ones. So you just click it and you do that. So what you need to do is just to play games and get your own coins. So what to do that, and you always ensure that you watch the ad. When you watch the ad, you have the chance to also make money. You know, win up to $50,000, buy a ticket, win up to 10 times when you withdraw. So there are lots of benefits you can get from this game, like other games that you play online that you make money. You can also make money from this game. So I'd like you to practice it and let me know what you get from it. So all right, ensure you subscribe, and I will drop other videos that will help you make money online. We're just playing. Let's meet on the other side.